This office is 10 out of 10 messy, and today we're gonna clean it. When I work, I kind of just throw things around, and then when I'm done working, sometimes I'm like, I don't feel like putting anything away. Then that feeling translates to multiple days in a row, and then I'm left with this. So today I really need to clean off my desk, put everything back where it needs to go. I would like to wipe everything down with alcohol and like clean off my everyday makeup container because there's just fingerprints all over it, and my makeup brushes desperately need a wash. So I figured today would be a nice chill Monday. I'm gonna be just putting things away, leaving in the fast clicky makeup noises that we all love, and just kind of let's do this thing. Okay, I think the first thing we're gonna tackle is I'm gonna start moving all of this stuff and getting it clear so we can wipe it down. So let's go. Okay, so now I've basically cleaned off the whole top of this. I'm gonna use Windex to clean off my vanity mirror now. And I'm gonna start taking everything out of this guy and wiping down every drawer because as you can see, it gets pretty dusty. It gets a lot of like fingerprints all over it. So gonna take everything out of there and clean it. I'm also gonna take this, which is just rubbing alcohol, and I'm gonna rub down all of my makeup products so I can sanitize them and just keep them clean because you guys know me. Everything gets freaking dusty. So I'm gonna start doing that now. My desk is now clean. It looks great, feeling good. I still have some stuff on the floor I need to tackle, mainly Wallace dog toys, but I'm gonna go ahead and wash some of my brushes that are in the bathroom because it's my least favorite part and I need to get this done. I've been putting it off for way too long. Let's do this. So for washing my brushes, I have my Sigma matte and I use just regular old hand soap. So I think I'm gonna throw out this Morphe sponge. It's starting to tear in a few spots. And I've had this for a while. I have other sponges, so I'm gonna throw this one away. Okay, now that my brushes are clean, I'm just gonna pick up everything off the floor and then vacuum and sweep, and then this room is officially done, which feels so good. Alright guys, so my office is completely clean now. The floor is clean, everything is put into its place, and I feel accomplished. I feel like I'm ready to start my week now, and hope this video helped motivate you guys if you also have things you need to clean. If you feel like you've been slacking on cleaning, just know you're not alone, because you just saw how big this mess was in this room, and it was really, really bad. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button or the like button down below. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave if you would like to, and remember, there is always magic to be found, and I hope that means I see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!